My name is Sean Duplessis. I run the global SAP support for Spinnaker Support. I'm very pleased to have this opportunity to talk about the growth that we've had and how optimistic we see the future for Spinnaker Support and for the third-party support market. With our significant growth in the SAP space, we have hired recently some very good, strong senior people to join the team. We've hired Gavin. He comes from an SAP background, mainly in the consulting and support services in the industry. Gavin joins us with over 20 years of SAP experience, brings a whole new dimension to us. Gavin will continue to run the European operations for global support, also at the same time supporting the growth and the sales opportunities within that region. We also have J.S. Lee that comes from SAP, well over 20 years experience in the maintenance side. We're very excited to have someone that's so seasoned in the space that also brings all the history and the experience that can help us improve our support for our customers. So with that, I hand it over to Gavin.
As Sean has mentioned, the growth of Spinnaker, particularly in the EMEA region, has been quite dramatic over the last few years. In fact, doubling in size consistently for the last 4 years. We now have customers in many of the different countries, in many different industries that we support. Part of my job is to run the operational team outside the US. We have experts in all the fields required to support our customers of having a minimum of 18 years SAP specialized experience. I'd like to hand now over to J.S. Lee.
Thank you, Gavin. My name is J.S. Lee, newly joining Spinnaker Support, assuming Asia Pacific region. Before I joined Spinnaker Support, I was working for SAP Korea for quite a long time, about 20 years, even before it had very professional organization called MGTM, standing for Maintenance Go-to-Market. From that time, actually I was fully responsible for maintenance revenue of SAP Korea. I was leading that organization to protect the huge stream of maintenance revenue. And I expanded my responsibility to set that MGTM organization in Beijing, in Shanghai, in Taiwan, and in Hong Kong. Based on that professional and dedicated career development for 20 years in Korea market, many people is calling me as a living legend. I like it. I like it.